In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create epics in ClickUp. This method is perfect if you're managing larger projects and want to organize related tasks under a single epic for better workflow visibility and tracking. Epics help you break down big initiatives into manageable pieces, making project management much more efficient. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you can see your workspace clearly. Once ClickUp loads, head to your space. This is where all your lists and folders are organized, so navigate to the specific space where you want to create your epic. On the top right corner of the screen, click on Add Task. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for creating new items in your workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Create New Task Type. This is the feature that allows you to customize how you categorize and organize different types of work within ClickUp. In the Task Type Creation field, name it Epic. This will be the label for your new custom task type, making it easy to identify and filter later. Once you've named it, confirm the creation. ClickUp will now save Epic as a new task type in your workspace. Now, whenever you create a new task, you can use the Epic task type to categorize it. This allows you to group related tasks under the epic, track progress, and maintain clarity across your projects. And that's it. You've successfully created epics in ClickUp and can now organize your projects more effectively. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.